Hey, Juliana. Hey, girl. Who's that? Is that Big Bird?
Yes.
Is that Big Bird?
Yes.
All right, I gotta go. Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good evening from Bartlett, Tennessee. I just got off work, and well, I only have one more day left until my autumn 2019 trip begins. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to bring y'all new content. I can't wait to return to Chicago, Bangkok, Thailand, visit Vietnam for the first time. I'm very excited for this trip. Like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all new content, and hopefully there's a shift, a difference in the quality and the entertainment value in my videos going forward. So just to emphasize that, I will be having a playlist, a specific playlist for my autumn 2019 trip. It's going to be titled that, so keep an eye on that in the future. If you're watching this in the future, you should definitely go check that playlist out. Hopefully the videos are good. I don't know yet because it hasn't happened yet, but I'm sure they'll be better than what I have been producing. So anyways, I'm about to head to Flying Saucer, get a beer, one beer. I'm going to meet my mom and my stepdad up there, so I guess it's kind of like a going away party, even though it's not a party or anything like that. But just to celebrate working like 72 days with only one day off in those 72 days, like 650 hours combined, I think I deserve a beer, something good to eat, as a way to say, hey, I did it. Good things happen to those who actually strive to make those things happen, if that makes any sense. All right, I'm gonna head to Flying Saucer. I'm gonna turn some air conditioning on, but if I turn it on while I'm filming, y'all are just gonna hear this the entire video. That's not a good look. That's not a good sound, so let's not do that. See y'all at Flying Saucer. Alright, I'm almost at Flying Saucer. I have not been to Flying Saucer in about 5 years. I do not drink the way that I used to. When I first turned 21, I would come to this place all the time. They have a really cool thing going on where if you drink 200 beers, you get a plate on the ceiling, and you also get like a $100 credit towards the party. So that's pretty cool, but I don't drink the way I used to, so I don't really care. And in the end, you are paying for that $100 credit because the beers are kind of overpriced, unless you go like on a Monday where they have fire sales. Other than that, it's kind of a gimmick. That's right, you have to park in the back sometimes at Flying Saucer. I do remember that.
To the U.S. Constitution contains the double jeopardy clause, in which a person who's been acquitted can... 6. How many miles are in a light year? The distance light year travels in a year. Is it?
Now we'll get it now. I'd call my friend Tom and ask him.
Question 9.
We'll give it time.
What is
Well, I might eat one of those things you got. I don't know. A nipple one. I got my knife.
It's too spicy.
I know. Where's your plate here? What did you get? Did you eat the whole thing? Oh, yeah, there. I'm just gonna do this. There we go. And what's this stuff out here? Some stuff. There we go. That's to cool it off. So far, so good. It's starting to burn.
It's growing.
I got the burn going.
It's
It
growing.
helped out last night eating the chocolate ghost pepper. They always say as you expand your horizons get bigger. And the heat is really getting bigger. I'm gonna take a drink of water. There we go. Last night, the left side of my tongue was numb after eating that chocolate ghost pepper. This is with food, so it's gonna burn all the way down.
Your nose is running.
But last night, I believe, was worse than this. This wasn't bad, but if you look at the pepper that Zack ate, he took a bigger chunk and I cut off a little bit less. Woo! Yep.
Your nose is running.
Could be getting worse. But all's good. All's well. Well, Jethro. Here comes the hiccups. There's the hiccups from the heat. That's what I do. There goes the hiccup. That's when it's hot. I hiccup a lot. No, I hiccup from the heat. Take a sip. Take a sip. Taste it. If you can smell this stuff when it's opened up a mile away. The bar, somebody opens one on that end, and then you smell the reverb of it. Smells just like marijuana.
Well, that was nice. Well, now I'm going to head home. I have to work tomorrow from about 9 a.m. till 8 p.m. And then that's it for me at my job. Tomorrow is my last day at work for this financial period of saving up for this Thailand, Vietnam adventure. So I cannot wait to get that behind me, and then really enjoy myself. Because Thursday, I am heading up to Chicago. Should be a good time. I am going to Riot Fest. Should be pretty awesome. I'm not really sure what else to say, but my name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. Even if you don't like me, even if you're just passing by, if you made it this far in the video, subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. I guess this is the end of the video, unless something else comes up. Good night, buddy.